What does a cow say?
Eh?
What does a cow say?
Mm.
Yeah, but you have to be looking at the camera and on the other side of it. What does a cow say?
Mm.
What does a horse say?
Mm.
What does an elephant say?
Mm.
What does an owl say? What does a dog say? What does a monkey say? What does a cat say? What else we have? Is that it?
Bird.
What does a bird say?
Fish.
Oh yeah. What does a bird say? What does a bird say? You want some help? Good job. Come here. What does a bird say? What does a fish do? What does a fish do?